we're looking at transitions for the first time. So here, we need to determine whether we're looking at agreement or contrast. So we read from the top, the Alaska Native Language Archive, ANLA, is known for its impressive audio collection. The ANLA has more than 5,000 audio recordings of Native Alaskan languages dating as far back as 1943. Well, these things are definitely in agreement. We've got the impressive audio collection, and then we tell ourselves about the audio collection. So looking for reasons to eliminate, we're going to start by eliminating anything that introduces a contrast transition. And what we're doing is we're just highlighting in the same color to indicate agreement. So instead is going to be contrast. It should be eliminated immediately. Regardless is absolutely going to be contrast, so it too should be eliminated immediately. After might be agreement, but it's introducing a chronological relationship that isn't present. In fact, certainly does match the idea of agreement, and if we read in fact back into the sentences, the Alaska Native Language Archive, ANLA, is known for its impressive audio collection. In fact, the ANLA has more than 5,000 audio recordings of Native Alaskan languages dating as far back as 1943. Should make narrative sense. You definitely want to reread your choice back into the sentences for transition style questions within the writing section, probably more than anything else.